Today, we're taking a quick look at GoDaddy's point of sale system, how to set it up, its features, pricing, and whether it's right for your business. So, GoDaddy is designed for small businesses that sell in person and online. It integrates with website builder and online store so you can manage your inventory, sales, and payments all in once. The setup for this is that you just need to sign into your GoDaddy dashboard, which is right here. We also have their domains that you can see right here, the websites and hosting. Oh, it has a free trial for the builder. It has an online store website. I believe you can make your own website with GoDaddy. And after that, let's go to their features. It has a sync online plus in-store inventory. It has accept cards, contactless and mobile payments, sales tracking, reports, and customer profiles. So for the pricing for this GoDaddy is that it has an $49 plus per month. Transaction fees will be 2.3% plus 0.3 per swipe. If you already have used GoDaddy for your site, their POS is worth it for easy integration. But if you want an advanced POS features or lower transaction fees, you might consider alternatives like Square.